Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to learn English and feel motivated every day, you are in the right place. Let us listen to a short motivational story in simple English. Today's topic is Discipline Creates Freedom. Suman wanted a better life but lived without any routine, structure, or clear daily discipline. He often felt lazy, confused, and stressed because his days lacked direction and purpose. So one morning, he decided to bring discipline into his life through small daily habits. He fixed a wake up time and followed it strictly even on difficult mornings. Suman planned his day instead of reacting randomly to situations. At first, discipline felt very hard and uncomfortable, testing his patience and willpower daily. Slowly, his mind became calmer and his productivity increased naturally. Discipline removed confusion and replaced it with clarity and control. He felt more confident because his actions matched his goals. His stress reduced as he stopped wasting time and energy unnecessarily. Discipline gave him a freedom from laziness and self doubt. He realized discipline was not a punishment but self respect in action. Each disciplined day strengthened his mental and emotional stability. Over time, his life felt organized, peaceful, and meaningful. Suman learned discipline creates freedom, not restriction. The core of the story is discipline builds confidence and freedom. Listen again and repeat to improve your English. Stay motivated. See you in the next story. Thank you.